What's up, guys? It's Nathan here, and today I'm going to be electroplating this knife with copper, and I have a new method to do this. See, here's a coin that where's the camera here? Here's a coin that I plated. Anyway, I have a new method to do this because some of my other copper plating stuff hasn't worked out as well. So yeah, here we go. Okay, first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it off with some rubbing alcohol, which should remove the oil, any oils and stuff on it from my hands. Find the knife here. Ah, here it is. Just kind of clean this. It should be as clean as possible so the coating sticks well. Alright, it should be very clean now, so I'm going to go ahead and hook up, let's see, which one is this? This should be the negative one. I'm going to go ahead and hook up this to the knife. I'll kind of wrap it around here. And see if I can submerge this in here. I might need more rubber bands. Alright, I got some tape here and taped it on, so it should be good now. And set this back up here. Now I'm going to attach this coin here to this to the positive wire. If I can get it to stick on here. Oops. There we go. Now I'm going to put this in here into the solution. I'm going to try to kind of clip it on here, so because I don't want the wire to get in there, because otherwise it'll eat away the wire. Let's just kind of balance that in there. That should be good. Okay, let's plug this in. Alright, it's bubbling. I'm going to move this a little bit. I guess not. So yeah, I'll just leave this in here for a while, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Oh, and to make the solution of this, basically what I did is I heated up some water and then dissolved some baking soda in it, and then I just ran the electricity through a piece of copper, and I plated this coin with it, pretty much. So yeah, here's the knife. A little bit of the handle got plated, but you can see the blade is a nice copper color compared to the handle. It just looks kind of cool. So yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching all that stuff, and I guess I'll see you next time.